How to fix we couldn't install some updates because the PC was turned off when updating Windows. 1. Temporarily disable any third-party antivirus programs. 2. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. 3. Pause other updates in the process, such as the one in Microsoft Store. 4. Go to the Microsoft Update catalog and get the update directly. 5. Clean install Windows. 6. Other tips include 6.1. Restart the Windows Update service. 6.2 Reboot your computer. 6.3 Delete Windows Update signatures. Run these commands as admin: netstop lowserv netstop crypt svc netstop bits netstop misserver /Windows /soft twa redistribution software distribution.old /Windows system32 /cachroot2 cachroot2.old netstart lowserv netstart crypt svc netstart bits netstart misserver 6.4 fully reset cachroot2 folder. Fast.